Still coughing or clearing your throat nonstop? Here are 3 simple kitchen remedies that help fast. Warm ginger plus honey water. Boil fresh ginger, let it steep, then add a spoon of honey. Ginger fights inflammation, while honey coats and soothes your throat naturally. Pineapple juice. Fresh. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down mucus. 1 glass can thin phlegm and calm that itchy cough. Salt water gargle. Simple but effective. Gargling warm salt water pulls out excess mucus and kills bacteria in the throat. These aren't just old-school hacks. They're backed by science and often work faster than over-the-counter meds. And the best part? They're probably already sitting in your kitchen.